Afternoon, welcome. This is Waec here, 2020 Test of Oral English Past Question. Question number 56 says that we should choose the word that contains the sound or the phonetic sound that is given in this question. And the phonetic symbol here is called k. So this is k sound and it belongs to consonant sound. So it is a consonant sound. So let us transcribe these words and find out the word that has this sound or this symbol in its transcription and pronunciation. The option A is pronounced as sieve, but people pronounce it as sieve. Is sieve. Sieve. Vowel number 12. Sieve. The option B is pronounced as core. Core. The CH here sound k. Core. Core. That is long or sound. Core. Then option C is pronounced as ch. So the CH here sound ch. Take this sound. The CH there sound ch, not k. So we have this ch. Option D is pronounced as choose. The CH here also sound ch, sound as ch. Choose. Choose. The S sound Z, not choose. So by this transcription we find out that the only option that has the k sound is option B. Therefore option B is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more videos.